Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace battery in GMC Sierra key fob. Start by locating the release slot and using a small flat tool to open the fob carefully. Remove the old CR 2032 battery with gentle prying, note the orientation, and insert the new battery matching the plus side up. Reassemble the case, test the remote buttons, and secure the key blade if applicable before driving. Replace the battery every 2 years or when signal weak. Gather a small flat screwdriver, a replacement CR 2032 battery, and a clean cloth before you begin. Work on a padded surface to protect the fob and keep track of tiny clips and screws. Use gentle, steady pressure when prying the case open to avoid cracking plastic or bending metal tabs. Handle the new battery by its edges to prevent skin oils and test the fob immediately after reassembly to confirm success. After replacing the battery, stand near the vehicle and test every button to verify range and response. If a button is unresponsive, open the fob and reseat the battery, ensuring the plus side is oriented correctly and contacts are clean. For models that require relearn, follow the owner manual steps, which often involve turning the ignition or pressing a sequence of buttons. If issues persist, a dealer or locksmith can assist with advanced programming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.